So here we are, O'Brien, Morley. New challenge, this time, we're doing a chip repair.
How are we going to do that, mate? This one here looks mint.
Mate, get in the van, I'll sort this out. Just back her up and then pin it, just pin it.
I've got nothing.
Do anything at all? No, man, I love meatball as well.
You just wrecked me lunch, mate.
Hey, we've got nothing. That's unbelievable. Nah.
Yeah, we got it? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we got some. Let's head out the back.
All right.
Yeah. So why would you have to repair that?
Oh. So here we are. Now we're inside. Now the challenge starts. We got some chips. I'm a bit of an underdog, but we're up for it.
Get your high vis on, man. You're gonna need it.
3, 2, 1.
Do this.
All right.
Bloody where is it?
Bring it all the way to the left. Left this way.
How long you got?
That's invisible. Oh yeah, that's something better. 2, 1.
Got it.
There you go, 3 minutes.
Oh, your mirror's falling off.
He's tampering with my time.
Is this clock still ticking?
Flat.
It is flat. No. What do you mean?
Yes.
Boom, there it is. We had the speed and we had the quality. P1 today. Woo!